Good afternoon, dear students. Today I am going to teach you chapter first, nature and purpose of business. First of all, we discuss the concept of business. The term business includes all such activities which are concerned with the production, sale, exchange and distribution of goods and services to satisfy the needs of other people so as to earn income or profit. So in this, the term business, the main point of the main topic of the business is entrepreneur. The entrepreneur means whose person doing production of a particular commodity, and when the production are finished, his responsibility to the sell the production and distribution of production and goods and services to the people, and people use all these commodities and satisfy their needs. So if they satisfy their needs and buy the products in the market, so they buy the products, and if they buy the product, it means the entrepreneur or businessman earn profit or take more income. So the first of all, the main if any product, when any product produce, the first stage of the production of commodities is production. It means production is manufacturing, जो factories में manufacture होता है. And then first, when the production are finished, then the entrepreneur is ready to sell the product in a market, and these products come in the market with the help of transportation. It means the help of they distribute the production in different market and different areas. So if when these product reached at the market, people buy this product, and when they buy this product, definitely entrepreneur take interest and take profit from the customer. Fine. In other words, business is concerned only with that part of production which is actually exchange and result in mutual benefit to both the parties to the exchange transaction. It means when the product is finished and it reached at market, the both parties have more profit. First they whose person produce the production, and second those person buy the production. तो it means दोनों parties को प्रॉफिट होता है. तो जो प्रोडक्शन बनाता है, जब वो बेचता है, तो उससे जो पैसा मिलता है उसको से प्रॉफिट होता है, एंड जो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन सामान को लेता है और उसकी जो नीड्स को फुलफिल करता है, तो उससे उसका प्रॉफिट होता है. सो business activities may be described as human activities directed toward producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling goods. Fine. Whenever the production produced in the factories, and when it reached at market, definitely a shopkeeper buy the product, and shopkeeper sell the product or sell the good, and customer buying the product. So buying and selling goods are very important concept in business whenever we talk about earn the profit. So there is some characteristics of business. First is an economic activity. Economic activity mean the exchange of goods and service with the purpose of earning money. For example, the purchase sale of goods by a shopkeeper. So business क्या है? Economic activity है. How? Economic activity means the exchange of goods and services. तो economic activity से हम क्या समझते हैं? Just exchange of goods and services. If shopkeeper shopkeeper buy the sell the product, so customer buy the product. It means they are exchange the goods. So